Hi everyone, welcome to Module 6. The topic for Module 6 is Life on the Low Desert. So if we go in here to click on the overview, this is where you're going to see the content for this class. Now, low desert, as it may imply, is determined by its elevation. So the low desert is really those low-lying flat valley floors where, as you may have hiked and experienced in Arizona, there's very little rainfall, the temperatures are very hot, and you're going to see there are a lot of creosote bushes, some burr sages, and we're going to also explore in this module a lot about alluvial fans. You're going to learn about scarification, why that is important in the desert. You're also going to explore a little bit more about bajadas, some really important features in the low desert, as well as the flora and fauna. So don't forget to view your Module 6 content, and you can see here, these are the module slides, and you can see here that it goes into what the low desert is, first of all, the alluvial plain and how that connects to it, the soil that's found here, alluvial fans, goes into bajadas, the different types of soil, really going into how why they are so important, the functions of the alluvial fans, and the analogy here is that they are like Earth's kidneys and museums. So they remove the contaminants, they improve that water quality for the communities that are further downstream. So it goes into something that you may have never thought or considered before, the function and the role of these alluvial fans. Goes into a desert wash, and then you're going to see some information about the flora of the low desert, and some prompts for you to take some notes on, and then don't forget to watch the videos that are embedded throughout. Talks a lot about the mesquite, and we see a lot of them around in Arizona, and why they are so remarkable. So be sure to read and watch and learn all about that. Goes into desert relationships, especially commensalism within the realm of ecology, and mutualism and other relationships, parasitism. So, and then scarification, as I mentioned, why it's so important. So be thinking about that as you're going through these course materials this week. And then you have a lot at the end about pollination, who pollinates, then caliche, we consider why these are important, and then some more about fauna, and we talk about crepuscular animals, those that are really active, primarily during twilight. And then more here, arthropods, insects, amphibians. So you learn a lot about life in the low desert. And again, it ends off with some more short videos that you're going to learn some interesting facts, to see some of these animals and critters at work, at their most active. So don't forget to go through all the course content, and then here you've got to complete your quiz. Your desert identifications are linked here, and then don't forget to make a copy. And again, when you're doing these desert identifications, be sure to follow the directions in the rubric. So be sure that you are copying and pasting, you're highlighting just the description, and you're doing this completely. All right, and then the next part is you complete your lab quiz, but then you're also going to start your Sonoran Desert fact sheet. So remember that these are done over a period of 2 weeks, but you should start your Sonoran Desert fact sheet by completing one fact sheet this week, and both fact sheets, plant and animal, will be due next week. So it's a good idea to get started on it this week. And remember, take a look at that rubric to be sure that you're following all the directions. All right, so that sums it up for Module 6.